What's up guys, it's Ethan here back with another video for you guys today. We have this package here, and these are the Yeezy V2s. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Today we're finally going to get to unbox these. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So here they are guys, and we're about to unbox these. I'm just still excited about them. So let's go. Here they are guys, after finally getting the box off. We see the shoes here, absolutely stunning. I'm always impressed. This Boost at the bottom, I mean, it's great. Yeah, here they are. We're gonna get some close-up shots of these and try these on, so yeah. So yeah guys, overall I'm really impressed with this shoe. I love the stitching. I never really noticed that there's these little orange specks. I'm not sure if you can see, but they're all over the shoe, and it just adds to the coolness of it. And like fades out into the black. That's really nice. Also on the inside it says Adidas Yeezy. These are just amazing. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like for more of these videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.